Hi, today we'll be having a look at a new manually operated brake pipe flaring toolkit from Jimy tool. With this vice mounted kit you'll be able to make single and double 45-degree flares for brake pipes, as well as 37-degree JIC single and double flares for hydraulic control line applications. These are the forming punches for the 37-degree JIC flares, and these are the 45-degree forming punches. The kit includes 4 45-degree forming dies for 3/16, quarter, 5/16 and 3/8 pipe. The kit also includes 4 37-degree forming dies for JIC connections on 3/16, quarter, 5/16 and 3/8 pipe. Mount the tool firmly in a suitable vise and attach the handle. These are the forming punches for the different flares. Always start with the OPO punch to position the dies and set the correct pipe protrusion. Load the dies and the pipe into the tool, flick over the holding clamp and push the lock pin into place, and then just nip the holding clamp down for the first push. Position the dies and set the pipe protrusion with the first OPO punch, then tighten the die clamp. Rotate the forming punch to the desired size for the first part of the double flare. Apply pressure to the handle until it stops, then rotate the forming punch to the finishing punch for a double flare. Make sure the flare has no defects or cracks. Thanks for watching.